Okay, so Ox Winches have told us to put this winch through its paces, and that is exactly what we're going to do. We'll try and drag this transit with the handbrake on. Turns out the handbrake's not very good, but the winch is yanking that, no problem. Now I'm impressed with the speed of this winch. Bearing in mind I've not got all the rope on there, so it's a bit slower. When you have all of the rope on there, it does move a bit faster. We've got a transit, the back wheels are just going up the ramps now. And it doesn't hesitate at all, that is pulling quite fast. It's definitely faster than the Winch Max. So I'm impressed with that. Let's get her strapped up. Loaded up nice and easy using our overwheel strap set up. We do move them to the front so that you can move the van forwards a little bit. The winch fits under there nicely, and we've got a good balance and that'll tow really nice. Knox recovery on the job. What was that? State of it. Around the lower arm, away from any sensors, that's how we do it. She just gets up and goes, that winch. Right, the clutch is stuck to the floor on this one, so we're going to see if we can quickly fucking yam it up there without using a winch.
I'm shocked how you did it. Well done.
Professional. Got to do things fast when you're blocking the road. Huh? Got to do things fast when you're blocking the road.
Yeah, that's well done.
It always makes you die how I can navigate this big fucking bus around here, and these fucking mongs can't figure it out between them what's going on. Fucking how high is this bridge?
Is it okay?
No. We're about to find out. Yeah, it's fine.
I don't want to know my roof go. I love your car, mate.
Yeah, she's alright.